Parrots are among the smartest birds, capable of mimicking sounds and human speech. Some species, like African gray parrots, can learn hundreds of words and understand meanings. There are over 390 species of parrots worldwide, living in tropical regions like South America. Parrots vary in size, colors, and vocal abilities, showing great diversity among species. They are one of the longest-lived birds, with lifespans ranging from 20 to 80 years. Some pet parrots outlive their owners due to their impressive longevity. Parrots are highly social birds, enjoying living in groups and bonding with human owners. If living with humans, they need constant interaction to avoid loneliness and depression. They thrive on fruits, seeds, nuts, and vegetables. Some use nectar as a primary diet. A healthy diet helps maintain their glossy feathers and overall good health. Parrots can express emotions like joy, anger, and even sadness, showing emotional intelligence. They can dance to music and interact with humans as if they are family members. Parrots aren't just beautiful, they are intelligent, social, and full of surprises.